Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to stop apps from running in the background on Windows. This can help improve your system's performance and save battery life if you're using a laptop. Let's get started. First, we need to open the Settings menu. You can do this by pressing the Windows key and I at the same time. This will open the Settings window. Once you're in Settings, look for the Privacy option and click on it. This will open the privacy settings where you can control which apps have access to your data and settings. On the left-hand side, scroll down until you see Background Apps under the App Permissions section. Click on that option. Now, you'll see a list of all the apps that are allowed to run in the background. To stop them, you can disable all background apps at once by turning off the option at the top that says Let apps run in the background. Or you can either toggle off each app individually by clicking the switch next to its name. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can stop apps from running in the background on your Windows computer, which can improve performance and save battery life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.